Hello children, welcome to Acharya Public Schools Learning Platform. I am here with Mathematics Content Library for Grade 8. In this video, we discuss the concept map of all the topics of second lesson exponents and then we summarize it into a mind map. Exponents are a shorthand method for writing down multiple variables being multiplied together. Let us now move to the basic concepts of exponents. We can express a into a n times as a to the power n, where a is a rational number and n is an integer. For any rational number a and integer n, minus a to the power n is equal to a to the power n when n is even. Example, minus 2 to the power 4, that is equal to plus 16. It is equal to minus a to the power n when n is odd. Example, minus 2 to the power 5 is equal to minus 32. In a number a to the power n, a is called as the base and n is the exponent. Positive integral exponent of a rational number. A by b to the power n is equal to a to the power n divided by b to the power n for every positive integer n. Example, 3 by 5 to the power 3 is equal to 3 to the power 3 divided by 5 to the power 3, that is equal to 27 by 125. Negative integral exponent of a rational number. A by b to the power minus n is equal to b by a to the power n. Example, 2 by 7 to the power minus 2 is equal to 7 by 2 to the power 2, that is equal to 7 square by 2 square, which can be expanded as 49 by 4. Let us now learn the rules or laws of exponents. Multiplication rule. A by b to the power m into a by b to the power n is equal to a by b to the power m plus n. Look at the example. 2 by 3 to the power 3 into 2 by 3 to the power 2 is equal to 2 by 3 to the power 3 plus 2, which can be written as 2 by 3 to the power 5, that is equal to 32 by 243. Division rule. A by b to the power m divided by a by b to the power n is equal to a by b to the power m minus n. Example, 3 by 7 to the power 5 divided by 3 by 7 to the power minus 2 is equal to 3 by 7 to the power 5 minus minus 2, that is equal to 3 by 7 to the power 7. Power of power rule. A by b to the power m to the whole power n is equal to a by b to the power m into n. Example, 3 by 5 to the power minus 3 into to the power minus 2 is equal to 3 by 5 to the power minus 3 into minus 2, that is equal to 3 by 5 to the power 6. Power of product rule. A by b into c by d to the whole power m is equal to a by b to the power m into c by d to the power m. Example, 5 by 2 into 3 by 4 to the power 2 is equal to 5 by 2 to the power 2 into 3 by 4 to the power 2. Power of fraction rule. A by b divided by c by d to the whole power m is equal to a by b to the power m divided by c by d to the power m. Example, 2 by 3 divided by 3 by 7 to the whole power 3 is equal to 2 by 3 to the power 3 divided by 3 by 7 to the power 3. Negative exponent rule. a by b to the power minus n is equal to b by a to the power n. Example, 5 by 7 to the power minus 1 is equal to 7 by 5 to the power 1. Zero exponent rule. A by b to the power 0 is equal to 1. Example, 1 by 3 to the power 0 is equal to 1. Let us now look into the application of exponents. Exponents are used to express numbers in standard form. So, what is the standard form? A number written as m into 10 to the power n is said to be in standard form if m is a decimal number such that 1 less than or equal to m less than 10 and n is either a positive or negative integer. We can express very large numbers in standard form. Examples, 5937 can be expressed as 5.937 into 10 to the power 3. Similarly, 1,476,000,000,000 can be written as 1.476 into 10 to the power 12. The standard form of 4896 into 10 to the power 4 is 4.896 into 10 to the power 7. We can also express very small numbers in standard form. Example, 0.00004 can be expressed as 4 into 10 to the power minus 5. Similarly, 0.00000000657 can be written as 6.57 into 10 to the power minus 10. The standard form of 0.000239 into 10 to the power minus 5 is 2.39 into 10 to the power minus 9. Let us now recall the entire lesson exponents. Positive integral exponent a by b to the power n is equal to a to the power n divided by b to the power n. Negative integral exponent a by b to the power minus n is equal to b by a to the power n. We have then learned the laws of exponents which helped us to find answers of various problems. Finally, we have learned how to express very large or very small numbers in standard form. Let us now go through the vocabulary map of the lesson. Children, please repeat after me. Exponent, base, power, integral, evaluation, simplification, standard form, usual form, rational numbers, integers. You can now draw the concept map of the lesson in your mathematics drawing book. Thank you, children. Have a great day.